How is it going, guys? Welcome to our channel Doorbell Ding Dong. In this episode, we are going to see the basic commands of command prompt. Firstly, in order to open the command prompt, you have to type in CMD in the search program and files, and there you go, you can hit on enter. That opens a command prompt for you. Whenever you open the command prompt, you could see the path of the program as the title of this window. If you want to change the title of this window, you have to use the title command and followed by your name. For example, here title doorbell learning session. If I'm gonna give that and hit on enter, the title of the window will be getting changed. There is one other control similar to title command, which is prompt. The prompt command will help us to replace the default path that you can see inside the terminal window. For example, prompt doorbell session. If I'm going to type in and hit on enter, it will be replacing the default path by the name which we have given, followed by the prompt command. Also, if in case you want more information about prompt, you have to type in prompt / which will be giving you more information about the attributes that you can use along with the prompt command. Now we are going to look into the command color. The color command will be helping us to change the background color of the terminal, like this: color 1, color 02. If in case you need more information, you have to click on color. You have to type in color followed by / If in case I want to change the background color to bright white, then I have to type in color capital F. There you go. If in case I want to change it to a normal white or lighter white, then I have to type in color and number 7. That's it. So this is how the color command will be helping you whenever you want to change the color of your terminal. Now we are going to look into IPconfig command. IPconfig command, which will be giving you more information about Windows IP configuration. When you execute this command, normally you can see the IP address information and Ethernet information. Typically you might be needing administrator rights to execute this command. Also, if you're going to type in IPconfig followed by / all, you can see more information than the previous command. Now we are going to see Netsh command, which will be helping us to see the Wi-Fi password in the clear text. So if I'm going to type in netsh WLAN show profile, this will be giving you all the profiles that your laptop or your desktop has been connected while accessing internet. If in case in this instance, if you see here, I have been connected to Life is Super Awesome profile, and if in case I want to see the password of that profile, then I have to type in netsh WLAN show profile, and in the double quotes I'm going to type in Life is Super Awesome followed by key is equal to clear. If you see here, this will be giving you all the information along with the password. So this is how you can see your Wi-Fi password in the clear text. The people who are working on command prompt every day and they have to type in longer commands on a daily basis, that looks so boring and sometimes even it's annoying. How we can reuse the commands? You have to hit on up arrow and down arrow. It will be bring up all the commands that you have used earlier, and also you can click on F7. That will be giving you all the commands that you have used in that session, and you can reuse it. That will be saving time, not only saving time but also avoid typing a longer commands on a daily basis.